been incredible. One of the most impactful life experiences. I think I'll realize it once I get home even more so.
I had an amazing time, and I mean, it was a little piece of paradise. I think that's the best way to put it.
Oh, it's been fantastic.
The yogic way of living, it's just not doing yoga in your lessons, but it's there also afterwards in your life.
So there's a lot of work in asana because primarily that's what we end up teaching in public classes, but the practices of yoga are so much deeper. And so we're really going to dive into many of the different types of practices that we find in yoga, primarily posture, meditation, mantra, what I call guided imagery and music, or a variation of yoga nidra. We will also study philosophy, a bit of philosophy, so we take an overview look at the history of yoga philosophy and a lot of the different schools of yoga philosophy.
Karen has been, again, the word fantastic is just going to come up. I mean, her depth of knowledge on asanas, on philosophy, on anatomy has been absolutely astonishing.
Well, she's great, and that's, I think, the most important thing. She has so much experience and she has such a great knowledge about everything. And well, I think the yoga teacher training stands and falls with the teacher. She's the most important part, and she has given us all this material, much more than I ever expected we would get, and that's a great thing.
The format of this 200-hour teacher training with us all coming together in 1 month, I think is very unique, especially when you have individuals coming from all around the world. I didn't have any expectations when I showed up, and that was the greatest gift.
What I've enjoyed most really is the people that I got to meet. It's so amazing to me that yoga can take people from all over the world and tie this common thread between us, and so people that, you know, they don't share the same first language or background or history or any of that. There's this thing that like lives so deep inside of our souls that you get to kind of move beyond the superficial one layer of a person and get to know people in this really deep